everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sumana and I hope you all are doing great. Today I share a black smoky eye makeup which is very easy and doable for everyone, and it goes with any kind of outfit and is always in trend. You definitely carry this look with any Indian or Western both outfit. Before starting the video, please take a moment and subscribe my channel because it's totally free. And now without wasting any time, let's begin. Always first moisturize your skin very well because it makes your makeup more flawless. Now for the foundation, I use this Lakme Invisible Finish foundation and this shade is 04. Now I blend it with this beauty blender. Before using any blender, make sure you wet it and take out its excess water properly. Now I blend the foundation nicely and don't forget to use it on your neck area. Now I going to set my eyebrows. So first I comb it in lower direction to see the gap, and then I draw the line with this Lakme Iconic Black Kajal. Next I take some black eyeshadow from this palette and fill the gap with this brush. Today I use only this dark palette from Skin Plus. So first I take this light brown shade, the shade name is Henna, and apply it all over the crease area and always take time to apply it. Next I use this black eyeshadow. As you can see, it was very pigmented, and first I apply it close to my eyeline and then I spread it with this brush. Now I am gonna use this dark brown shade for the transition and apply it at the end of this dark shade and blend it with this light shade. Blending is the most important thing to do for the smoky eye. Now again I use some foundation below of my eye. You also use any concealer to hide your dark circle. Then I apply the black eyeshadow to my lower lash line and spread it with the same dark brown shade. Next I am gonna use Lakme Iconic Kajal to the upper lash line and the lower waterline. Then I take this diamond gold shimmery shade and apply it corner of my eye with my finger like this. I also use it as a highlighting my eyebrow. Now I use Lakme liquid eyeliner and draw a single line and give a wing. So I think it suits my eye. Next I go for my lashes, so I only use this Lakme Iconic Mascara for give some volume to my lashes. You also go for any false lashes, choice all yours. Now I comb my lashes with this eyebrow brush, and for this lashes are separate with each other and it looks so beautiful. You must try this hack. Now it's time for some blush. For blushing my cheeks, I use this peachy shade called Demure from the same palette. Then I contour my nose with this dark brown shade and fixed with this Lakme compact powder with this blender. Now for highlighting, again I use this diamond gold shade. I use it over my cheeks, nose, forehead, upper lips and also on my collarbones. Just invest your money in a nice eyeshadow palette. If you have a good eyeshadow palette, then trust me, you don't have to buy any highlighter or blush separately. Lastly, I use this Huda Beauty 5-in-1 lipstick to complete my look, and I go for this nude shade, and I also suggest you to choose any nude color lipstick with this smoky eyes. It looks very nice together. So this is my final look. Here I carry this look with a black top, a western earring, and my hair is open. So the whole look was very glam, party ready look. Now I switch my look with a ethnic way, and I just wear a black salwar with a jhumki and tied my hair in a half pony, of course add a bindi, and it looks very pretty and elegant at the same time. In this way, by changing your outfit, accessory and hairstyle, you carry this look in differently. I hope this video is helpful, and if is it, then give a thumbs up and comment down which kind of outfit you like to wear with this smoky eye makeup, and share this video with your friends and family to help them out. I see you in my next video. Till then, bye.